Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Phantom app on PC. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, search for Phantom in the search bar. Then, you will see the search results. Over here, find the official link for Phantom. After that, click on the option called Download for Desktop. Then you will be taken to another page. Over here, if you are using Chrome, click on Chrome. If you are using any other browser, select that one. After that, it will take you to a page where you can either add it to your browser or download it. Then you will find the option Add to Chrome if you are using Chrome. Otherwise, look for the download option and use that to download it. So that's basically how you can download Phantom app on PC. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.